In this video, we will see about what an IPO is. There are two categories of markets. Primary market. Primary market is a place where shares are sold for the first time by the company to the investors. Investment banks and the government are involved in the process. The products in a primary market are IPO and FPO. Secondary market. Secondary market is a place where issued shares are traded among investors. Brokers are involved in the process. IPO stands for Initial Public Offering. It is a process by which a company can go public. A company can become public due to following reasons: to raise capital that helps in expanding their business, to allow employees, owners and early investors to liquidate some other shares and money. Going public can provide companies with a huge amount of publicity. Basically, there are two common types of IPO. Fixed price offering. In the fixed price IPO, the company sets the issue price for the initial sales of their shares. Book building offering. In a book building offering, the company and the underwriter sets the price band, and the shares are put for auction. The lowest share price bid is called the floor price, and the highest share price bid is called the cap price. The final decision on the price of share is determined by the investor's bid. Let's look at an example. Charlie owns a cafe company. He needs money to grow his company. He decides to sell his shares to the public to raise the money. But he cannot do it on his own. So he approaches an investment bank. The investment bank and Charlie's company work together to determine the offering price, the number of shares, and the right time to make the company public. With the help of investment banks, the company files DRHP to SEBI for approval. After the approval, the investment bank displays the shares in a stock exchange for the investors to buy. The investors can buy the shares of the IPO by the following steps. Acquire a physical or online application form from a broker or a bank. Fill your personal and demat account related details in it. Provide your total investment amount. The shares of the IPO will be allotted within 10 days before the closing of the offer.